5 life-changing tips to stay motivated forever. 1. Avoid hyperbolic discounting. Individuals tend to pursue choices bringing about prompt rewards instead of those associated with long-haul benefits. In financial matters, this impact is known as exaggerated limiting. We show a preference for rewards that arrive sooner rather than later, says Bart Schutz, Chief Persuasion Officer at Online Dialogue. The vast majority neglect to perceive that moment satisfaction straightforwardly relates to botched open doors. 2. Create a reward system. Most choices you make depend on an apparent result with minimal measure of hazard. While organizations make incentives to spur buyers to buy items and administrations, this procedure can be applied to each aspect of your own. Recognize each step on your excursion to arriving at your objectives and partner a compensation with every achievement. As you arrive at each imprint, you'll find your inspiration increments as you draw nearer to your goal. 3. Prioritize your task list. Daily agendas possibly work assuming you're routinely adding and finishing responsibilities. In the event that you're continually adding things to your plan however you don't make an opportunity to finish them, your daily agenda might become overpowering, bringing about a deficiency of efficiency. In the event that you're generally okay with the straightforwardness of errand records, you can utilize an assortment of efficiency programming, like the NE. 4. Start your workday the night before. Mornings often pose the biggest threat to motivation. As opposed to handling your day-to-day task list in the first part of the day, start focusing on your things the prior night, and really get to know all that you intend to do the following day. Getting ready for your following day of work includes something beyond a coordinated errand list. Eliminating pointless mess from your workstation makes a seriously welcoming environment and keeps you zeroed in on the work you really want to finish. 5. Stimulate your brain with nutrition. It's no secret that a healthy diet is important for a healthy lifestyle. If you're struggling to find the energy you need to get things done, you may want to consider adjusting your levels of nutrition. Certain foods are known to improve higher brain function, leading to an increase in motivation. Eating carrots, dark chocolate, seeds and nuts can significantly boost ease of cognition. Creating lifelong success requires a great deal of motivation. Everyone struggles with motivation at one point or another, especially in the workplace. Employers can leverage these strategies to create a positive work environment where motivation and progress flourish. Implementing these tactics into your daily routine will increase your motivation and bring you closer to reaching your long-term goals. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Don't forget like, comment and share the video. Thank you.